Hello and welcome to the category management module. We will start with the definition of the category management. So the category management refers to organizing the resources of the procurement teams to focus on the organization's supply market in order to fully leverage purchasing decisions. So what we will do here in this module, we will learn how to put our orders in certain categories based on certain different modules. This arrangement for these items or products will help us to perform better as a procurement professionals when we know that we will order these products in certain category from different departments. We can engage all these orders under one umbrella to make a request for these products, for example, from one supplier instead of having like split orders. So the process involves organizing similar or interrelated goods and services in specific categories. This way we can leverage the opportunity for consolidation. So if I receive a request from the marketing team, from the IT team, from warehouse, from finance, from engineering, and it's the same item that they want to order, I can put all of these orders, even though from separate departments, into under one umbrella, under one category, and I can place one big order with the supplier. This way, I can improve the performance for my process as a procurement professional, the value and the savings when you make a bulk order for all departments for the same item. This way you will be able to acquire more savings and better value for your organization. So this is the category management definition. We will discuss the what is the benefit of the category management and which module we can use to run the operation under category management. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next section.